So without further ado, I give to you our first speech of the evening, and that would be Mr. Luke. Mr. Luke.
Yeah.
It's all you, Luke.
Okay.
I love you, Mom!
Love you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello!
Our first piece of the evening is definitely not your mom's classical music. It's straight from the twisted mind of Mr. Robert Frankenberg, who will be performing the Ice Cream Trunk. Now, this is a straightforward piece inspired by the colossal freak shows of Coney Island. You'll hear percussion, horns, calliope music, accordions, clown horns, and yes, we have rubber chickens. And apparently whatever that is. Now, the story goes, there is a legend in a small town just north of the river. On the 15th of September, when the leaves are of orange and red, the people of this town do not go out past sundown. For this is the day that they visit. The legend is of an old clown trio who would travel from town to town in an old converted ice cream truck. They made many people smile across the land, but upon the night of the 15th, there was a storm coming from the west. A furiously billowing storm full of wind and rain. The troupe contemplated turning around, but could not disappoint the children they knew who were expecting them. They carried on through the storm, but at last the storm won the fight. The wind billowed hard, hurling the truck across the road and into the river. They sank to their murky doom dressed in their finest costumes. Is this legend true? Do these lost souls still walk the earth? It is said that upon the night of September 15th every year, you can hear the truck and its waterlogged engine and rusted frame trudging from the lake. 4 lost souls still wandering the earth, but now to destroy the innocence they once so believed in. Beware the night, for here come the clowns.
Mom.